Hey everybody, I wanted to give you the Survival Hacks Deals of the Week. These deals will be available until November 14th, 2018. So to get to the Amazon deals, the only thing you need to do if you don't want to go searching for a link is just Google Survival Hacks Amazon. It's the first link, boom. And what you'll notice are the coupons and everything that we have going. But what I want to show you today are just the deals. First one is going to be the credit card tool with whistle and gift box. This is going to drop to $10.99. It was $14.99, and this will be good until November 14th as well. Now, the biggest complaint about this, before you put this in your Amazon cart, is that it's about as thick as 4 credit cards. Let me see if I can find some customer images. So when you buy this, it's called a credit card tool, but when you buy this, just know that it's going to be pretty thick. See, for me personally, it did fit in my wallet, but it took up about what 3 or 4 cards would take. So that's the only thing I would advise. If you're looking to put this into a wallet, I would get a different wallet tool, and we're releasing our new one, our thinner one, in 2 weeks. So we'll have it before Black Friday. But this is a thick tool, and it's something I put in my glove box of my pickup. It's not something I have in my actual wallet anymore. So that is $10.99. I closed that. What else do we have on here? This deal probably won't last because it's got the coupon on there as well. We will keep the $11.99 on there until the 14th, but it's the EDC Keychain with the waterproof pill bottle. And you can just see this guy right here. All the gear inside there. There was a video on this, but maybe my cache is messed up. Anyway, this will be $11.99. This was $14.99, and that coupon, I put a few on there for you guys, but I don't think they're going to. Oops, I just applied it to my own cart. I don't think they're going to last very long. So if you missed that, don't worry. It'll stay $11.99, but only until the 14th. All right. Next deal would be the 3-in-1 screwdriver knife. This is the last deal, by the way. This is the modified version of the screwdriver knife we used to sell. Magnetic bit driver holder right here. That's the bit driver on the back. Serrated edge. These are the 4 bits it comes with. Has a light, and that's how it folds down. Surprisingly sharp. And this is low inventory currently. We've got about 150 of these left, and it's the only way I could get it to go on the exclusives deals for Amazon was to lower it this far. So hopefully you guys can get that deal. We're not going to advertise any more coupons on top of this, so it'll be first come, first serve. And the last thing I wanted to show you guys, this isn't really a deal because I'm not promoting it yet. This is our new water bottle filter, and we're going to launch it at $39.99. That's what the old one was. It's very similar to the old one, but we don't even have our images or anything yet. So we've just got them into the warehouse, so that's why you're able to buy them on our site, but we haven't got the video for this up yet, and we haven't even taken any pictures. But it's basically the modified version of our old water purifier bottle, which you can find right on our site if you go to survivalhacks.com. you can go and you can view the old video and just see the specs on it, the old pictures. We will crank this price back up to $39.99, maybe $29.99 for Black Friday. The only reason we want to leave it like this for you guys is just to see if you'll leave images for us, like image reviews. Whether it's a good review or a bad review, we can put these up then, and then it won't look like you know, such a copy and pasted store. It'll look like actual customers using the product. So I don't know how long I'm going to leave that price up at $19.99. As soon as we get the images and the video recorded, I'm going to bump that back up because we're going to turn the ads on. But right now, really no one can see this unless they search for that name or they search for survival hacks on Amazon. So only you guys who are seeing this video will know about this deal. And again, if you like it, you're going to be one of the first to try it. So please show us your pictures, your videos, and tag us, and we will post them. All right, be safe, guys.